If you're looking at the current U.S. economy and hearing about inflation, tariffs, and slow job growth, you might be wondering if there have been previous economies that faltered and recovered. There's nothing like analyzing historic data to set your mind at ease. I started experimenting with a dataset I found on Kaggle that contained U.S. stock data for 30 companies up until 2018. This period covered the years of the U.S. Great Recession, 2007 to 2009. This recession spread across the world. This was a period where many people lost their houses and jobs. U.S. 401k plans tanked in the stock market. There was a general feeling of unease, but after a couple of years, the stock market experienced a boom. The Kaggle data included stock ticker symbols, but not sectors. I created a small table containing ticker symbols, company names, and sectors. I then merged these two data sets to run analysis per company and sector by joining on the ticker symbols. I created a Plotly animated chart that shows the bust-boom cycle around the recession in a Jupyter notebook. This chart reveals not just recovery, but a very robust technology sector. The App Studio creates a dashboard from a single data file. I made a single data file by merging the Kaggle dataset with my own company name and sector data using a few lines of Python code. Once the file was uploaded, Plotly App Studio automatically built a whole set of charts into a dashboard. These charts enable users to delve deeper and gain a better understanding of what happened in the market during that period. When I started working with Plotly App Studio, I wanted to replicate the sector animation chart from my Jupyter notebook. I created a prompt for the chart, and the first take wasn't exactly what I wanted. In my second prompt, I used the Plotly App Studio Remix feature. I made my prompt very explicit by describing what each step of the code in my Jupyter notebook version did to build the chart. It worked. I made one other tweak to the Plotly prompts. The original theme prompt was this: professional financial theme with blue and green color scheme, emphasizing trust and growth, clean typography with data-focused layouts and subtle shadows for depth. This produced charts that were with shades of green that made it difficult to read, a potential accessibility issue. My revised prompt asked for multiple colors for the sectors and stocks. I provided specific hex values to make charts more readable. My new prompt included colors like blue, orange, green, red, cyan, purple, brown, pink, and yellow. The Plotly App Studio client is really nice to work with. You can modify the code directly or remix your prompt to change the code. You can view the results before deploying to the cloud. The Studio client integrates very easily with the cloud, and log files are readily available.